What do you do with your freshly washed clothes when you don't have a dryer? Hanging them outside to dry is not always an option because of the fickle weather. Lots of people, including us, often use a drying rack inside to let our clothes dry. Unfortunately, this isn't an excellent idea. Drying your clothes inside makes sure there are at least 2 extra liters of moisture in a room. We'll definitely try to stop drying our clothes inside the house. Bad for your health. When you let your clothes dry inside the house, the extra moisture makes your house a breeding ground for mold. Research has also shown that 25% more house dust mites can be found in households that dry their laundry inside. This can lead to a reduced natural defense against lung problems. Drying outside. It's best to let your clothes dry outside if you have the opportunity. It's not only better for your health, but also for your clothing, and the wind makes sure they're less wrinkled. Perhaps it's possible to let the load dry beneath an awning. If this isn't an option for you and you do choose to let your clothes dry inside, make sure the room is heated and well ventilated. If you are unable to dry your clothes outdoors, especially when the temperature tumbles, it's recommended that position wet clothes close near ventilation spots and open your bedroom windows every morning for at least 15 minutes. With cold temperatures increasing the chance of moisture buildup overnight, it's essential to deal with the situation quickly.